You don't know my dad, guys? I think he overdosed on car parts.
Yeah. I'm looking, man. I got a new summer racing book that just came in the mail today. And hey, man, I'm looking to see what's in summer racing I ain't bought yet, because I don't overdose on car parts. Look at this shit here, y'all. My whole hatch just exploded on me. Whole hatch. Never seen shit like that in my life. Whole fucking hatch. Exploded. Unbelievable. Yeah, I got it cleaned up. I don't know how the hell that shit happened, but it happened. It happened. 175 going down the drain that fast. Quick in a hurry. Quick. Gonna be $65 to rent the truck and $100 for the hatch. I don't know, because of the adjustments that I made on the end right here. I added some washers to it on the other side. Watch this time. And they were just binding it up good or something. I had added washers on the bottom end right there, y'all. I will not ever do that again. Big mistake. Big mistake. Alright, y'all. Guess I get to what I need to get to. Try to get some progress started. Welcome to a new episode of Overdose on Car Parts. It's been over a little over a month. I ordered the interior from Hoffman Motorsport because I'm going back OG clean. And the only thing I'm doing custom is the console. And today we're doing the shaft from Racecraft, and we're doing the flush door handle from James. So y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. Y'all, you see this cover right here? Move the cover. Little plastic cover right here. Move it back. Then you take a 7/16, which I'm using a 3/8 ratchet. And let's see. Might get another socket. This ain't in the way. Alright, come on, baby. Get in there. Loosen this up. Bolt should come on out. And what this does, y'all, this upgrade, it kills the play in the steering shaft. It kills the play in it. So do what they do. So put that bolt right there. Get my 15. Take this bolt out right here. Oh man. I'll lift it up some more, y'all. My bad. Alright. Take this out. Make sure your steering wheel is straight too, y'all. When you're doing this, take this off. Like that bolt right here. Alright. Alright. Then right there, put that one right there. Get you a pry bar. Thing like that. Yeah. Pull it off the shaft. It's coming out. Alright. Gonna give me a pain in the ass. Get it out. Come on, baby. Ah. Alright, y'all. We'll be right back. Alright, so this description right here on how to do the shaft and that water Racecraft. And what you do is you grind it off right there, and that lets the bolt slide through easier, so you can put the bolt in and tighten it up. So, which I went and bought some parts from Hoffman Freight, and I had to use my drill. I used my drill, but mainly the main part you get is this part right here. It's a rotor. I bought the Rotary kit from Drill Master, but if all you guys, this is a small one, so it takes longer. So if all you guys just might as well get the one for $24, and you should have enough room to use it. And I'll put all the parts in the description or whatnot. But the one I got, the smaller one, it take more work, which it shouldn't take that much work. But and then I also I use the Rotary diamond grill wheels. I use them. So I had to do a whole bunch of, a lot of stuff I had to do, pretty much. A whole bunch of stuff I had to do to make it work. But y'all come look. I got it bolted up right there, as you can see. And what this shaft do is it slides. It slides, and then you just slide it on there like this. You put the bolt in there, which is a 7/16. One second, get my stitch. And yeah, y'all, it's raining right now, y'all, but hey, it don't stop, man. It ain't stop. Let me find my stitch. It don't stop there, man. I don't wait about almost 2 months now. Went on my interior, thought I was gonna get here a little faster than what I thought it was, but it ain't then, so I don't wait too long. Start. Just tighten it back up. Tight as you can get it. Alright, let's see how that real tight. Alright. I'm gonna let my sign go on the inside and turn the steering wheel left or right. Go ahead. Got that more tight as I can get it. Turn it to the right. Turn it. Turn it to the left. Turn it to the right. Alright, y'all. And that's, let me see, let me get y'all some light in here. Turn again. Go to your left and go to your right. Alright, that sums it up. And that's it, y'all. That's how you install the Walter Racecraft shaft. And it pretty much killed the slop in the factory joint. So it's our description right here. Which if you purchase from him, I will put his name, Facebook name in the description. And it's more videos on YouTube installing this same shaft. Some might have better descriptions than what I got, but that's what I did to make mine work. So we'll be right back with the door handles. Alright y'all, now I'm finna install James flesh door handles, and which I purchased or whatnot, and it comes with instructions as well. So finna get to it, guys. Be right back. Alright y'all, y'all see I have the door panel already off, and it's just 3 main bolts around the arm. 2 at the bottom, 1 right here, 1 right here, 1 right here. And majority, if you ever took Camaro door handle, majority of the bolts on the back. These 2 right here on mine, and then the rest on like this one. They go all the way through. Sometimes somebody go through your door panel, they don't put the right bolts in there. So I just had to take these 2 bolts off, and it came off, and I slid the door lock piece off, which is right here. Slid it off, pop it off, and then there you go. And then you pop it off on the side. It pops in all the way around. You pop it out from the side. Then the top, you pop it at the top, pop it on each side. Then it comes slap off. So right now, I got both of the on what you would call these kind of nuts, but they screw on there, and then they really don't go down real tight, but got both of them off, and got the door handle off. What I reach for, got the door handle off. This is the original one. So this the old one, flappy, ugly, which I always hated. I always hated these door handles. I never liked them. I never liked these door handles. But you get the other door handle, and by the way, it's a size 11 wrench. And once you break them, you pretty much can take them out with your hand and just pop the door handle lock thing off right here. So it really ain't that hard. He also give you instructions too, so you know. But it's just part of getting the door handle off. Alright, let me get up, y'all. Okay. Kind of tight in here, y'all. You know, when you got a 1-car garage, you know, it is what it is. I'm just working with what I got. But yeah. Make sure I got the right one. So, okay. So here we go, y'all. This is the old one. This is the new one. Alright, as y'all can see. So y'all we'll be right back and get it installed. Alright, y'all, finally finishing up, and took a little minute to get the door handle, you gotta get it straight. And I had to use a 10 to put the new ones on, but the old ones to take off was 11. But it works pretty good. It ain't real sloppy and big, and it's more flush. As you can see, it's more flush with the car compared to these big and sloppy and hanging out. So let me go ahead and get through putting the door panel back on. I'm gonna be right back. Alright, y'all, if I got the door panel back installed, as you can see, and pretty much soon, I'm gonna take the door panel back apart anyway. That's another episode, but I gotta change. I'm gonna get some help. I gotta change this window, change the motor, window motor, and the weather stripping on the inside, outside and inside. And this piece right here, the little rubber piece right here. So, like I said, y'all, this gonna be on. This gonna be an on, constantly going episode until April. My plan is to have this car finished. I'm gonna try to have it perfect the way I want it, so I ain't gotta touch it no more. But my plan is to have this car finished by April. So, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna do the other door knob, and I'll get right back. Alright, y'all, what you got through the door or whatnot? My old mirror, driver side mirror, the inside piece right here, it was broke off in the back. So when I try to move my handle, which is on came off now 'cause I took it out. When I try to move my handle, it wouldn't move it. It wouldn't move it. It'd just be wiggling around and stuff like this. Plus, it would crack right there too. So, you know, and pretty much, it is. It's very difficult taking these things off. I've been out here about a good 35, 40, probably about a good hour getting it off. But once you take the door panel off, you got 2 bolts up here at the top. You take off the 10mm at the top right here. 2 bolts at the top right here. Then you got this bolt, this 10mm, this 10mm. Then when you take these 2 bolts off and the 2 10mm, these 2 off right here, you pull this out. When you pull this out, you're gonna see it's gonna be 1 bolt right here. Then it's 1 right beside the mirror, right in the inside inner of the mirror, which you have to take a wrench and take it off. So it's very difficult getting it off and very difficult getting it back on. So we done with that. And to remove this, to make this fit in this, you pop this piece of metal off right here. This piece of metal, you pop it off, and then this automatic push out. This piece right here push out, and then you can put it back on. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm tightening everything back up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get the other door handle. Be right back. All right, y'all got the other door handle installed. So as you can see, got it installed, open. My door. I weather strip on the other side. Gotta fix it. Open. Close. Open them all. See. All right, let me put the door panel back, y'all. Get it back in there. As you can see, I got this installed. So, all right. Got the door panel back installed on the driver's side. So we done for the night. So we're done for the night. We'll be back tomorrow. Do some more stuff. Finish up this episode 10. Alright, y'all. I'm changing out my console right now. As you can see, I'm gonna pull all this out and put the 2010 Camaro console in, and I'm gonna go from there. I finally got the console out, and I took out the AC too, because if I ever decide to go AC, if I really start making the mind when I'm making trucking, I go vintage air. So, you know, and I 2010 Camaro console, just cleaned it up a little bit, and got everything cleaned out on the inside. About to go and lay it down in there, and we'll be right back. Alright, y'all, finally got the console in there installed the best way I could. Well, what y'all would do, I will pretty much, when I get my interior down, I'm gonna get them like customized and get something to make it fit, you know what I'm saying, make it fit flesh. Make it fit flesh right there. And they had to make some, you know, they'll get it even and all that. And make some, you know, make it look good, make it look sit in flesh. But I like the way it look. I like the way it look. It look perfect, if you ask me. Just need some little fabrication done, and then I put my little light right here, so it won't be in the way. So, but other than that though, y'all, came out pretty good, if you ask me. Now I'm finna move this car and get to the next thing. These are some of the problems I had, y'all, since I lowered the car. I'm not really driving it yet, and I'm gonna get to another issue that I really have. But I'm trying to I'm gonna order me a shorter wire. This wire too long. They came with the kit, so the shorter one I think like $75. I got order one of them. Then my pan my deep pan transmission. Like if I hit bumps and stuff, it's real close. So I'm gonna go back with original pan. And then right here, my heat wrap, I went across a railroad track, and that's what it did to my heat wrap. And the bolts, got some bolts over here that's real low that I need to cut too. Also, right here, what the bolts at? What these bolts at? I'm looking at. Okay, yeah. Let me see if I can get a good view of it. Okay, that bolt right there, since I lowered the car, this is real close. Real close. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna trim it off a little bit. Maybe about 2 inches, trim out about 2 inches on both sides. it just, man, it's just like one thing after another when you try to do something new, get going. So that's what I'm gonna do next. And right now, get to the point. This is my big issue. Next video you about to see is when I had the issue with the hatch. It exploded on me. My neighbor had me out, and he helped me back all the glass stuff out. And this the carpet, by the way, it came in when I ordered the interior. This, I got the carpet with the mask on it. So, but the next video will be showing the hatch when it busted, and after that, I'm gonna knock these little things out, and I'm gonna try to get by the end of this episode, get a video of me driving the car. Okay. All right. Be right back. Y'all got everything tied up. Got them bolts down there, cut down low, and I got the wire, shifter wire, zip tied, for temporary, but this ain't what scrubbing the ground. So, all right, on to the next. Fuck me. Finally finishing up. We get the cocker rod cleaned up and stuff, so we did that, got that done. And man, I don't know what it is, y'all, but I broke some. Not on the motor, but I think I broke some. I either broke a transmission bolt or either a motor mount bolt. But the motor is still running good, so ain't no big deal. Still running good, but